Namaskar, I am Adarsh. Welcome to Adarsh Education Society. Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay? So, standard 5th, our subject is English. Okay? Today we are going to learn our new unit, our new chapter, that is festivals, the colors of human life. Okay, so we all know festivals, we all love festivals, isn't it? Now what are festivals? Festivals are connected all around the world with nature and culture. It is related to our culture, traditions and customs. Okay, then now what are festivals? Festivals are from different religions. It shows different traditions, different customs. Okay, different religion reflects different customs and traditions. Now in our India, every religion exists equal value, whether it is Eid, Diwali or Durga Puja, they all have equal value in our India. Festivals bring a moment of joy to everyone. Festivals bring together everyone. Festivals are a moment of joy. We enjoy festivals together, isn't it? So now we are going to start our new chapter, festivals. Festivals, the colors of human life. Now activity 1, pre-task. We all love festivals. Festivals break monotony and they add colors to our life. Festivals break monotony. Now what is monotony? Monotony means the same repeatedness, the same routine work. Every day we go to school, we wear same clothes, we eat same kind of food. There is a timetable that this time to this time we are going to do this. Okay, so there is a regular timetable in our routine life. So we get bored of this life. So whenever festivals come, this monotony breaks. Our routine life, it has a break. Okay, हमारी लाइफ को कुछ ब्रेक मिलता है, कुछ नया मिलता है जब भी फेस्टिवल्स आते हैं. ओके, फेस्टिवल्स आर ओकेजन्स टू सेलिब्रेट सम नेचुरल फिनोमेना, season, historical, social, political, environmental, personal, cultural, traditional और agricultural significance. तो हम festivals किस basis पे मनाते हैं? फेस्टिवल हम या तो कोई नेचुरल फिनोमेना जैसे लॉर्ड कृष्णा का बर्थ, देन सीजन, हिस्टोरिकल 15th अगस्त है, 26 जनवरी है. ओके, देन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एग्रीकल्चरल, बैसाखी. तो हम लोग सब फेस्टिवल्स जो है उनके कुछ इम्पोर्टेंस है. सो बेसिस ऑफ दैट इम्पोर्टेंस वी सेलिब्रेट द फेस्टिवल्स. सम फेस्टिवल्स आर सीजनल्स, कि सीजन के हिसाब से आते हैं कुछ फेस्टिवल. Okay, now next page number 19. Here some of the festivals, some of the examples are given. We are going to discuss these examples. Okay, so in the first picture we can see it is celebrated Independence Day. So the name of the festival, Independence Day. Day of celebration, which day it is celebrated? It is celebrated on 15th August. Then type of festival. Which type of festival it is? It is a national festival. Then significance. What is the significance of this festival? The importance of this festival is that we got freedom. India got freedom on 15th August. So we are celebrating 15th August as Independence Day. Okay? Then next, in the next picture we can see many people are gathered together and they are climbing on each other. Which festival is this? This is a Dahi Handi. When it is celebrated, day of celebration is Janmashtami. Yes, it comes in the month of Shravan. Then type of festival. Which type of festival it is? It is a religious festival. It is celebrated according to the religion. Place of celebration. Where it is celebrated? It is celebrated in all over India, but mainly it is celebrated in Vraj, Mumbai, Pune, etc. Then significance. What is the significance of this festival? Lord Krishna's birth. Okay. Then next, name of festival. We can see many people are playing with colors. So which is this festival? It is the festival of Holi. Day of celebration. When it is celebrated on the full moon day of Falgun. It is celebrated on the full moon day of Falgun. Then which type of festival it is? It is a social festival. Place of celebration. It is celebrated all over India. Significance. People play colors with each other. It is a symbol of brotherhood and love. Okay. Then next is the picture of Eid. Name of festival? Eid. Day of celebration? The first day of Shawwal. The first day of Shawwal. Type of festival? It is a religious festival. And place of celebration? It is celebrated by the Muslims all over the world. Significance. What is the significance of this festival? It marks the end of the Islamic holy month Ramzan. Isn't it? The next, name of festival? Ravan Dahan. Which is the next festival? Ravan Dahan. When it is celebrated on Dashera. It is celebrated on Dashera. Type of festival? It is religious festival. Then place of celebration? It is celebrated all over India. Then significance. What is the significance of this festival? It's a victory of Lord Rama over the evil Ravan. Okay. Now name the other. The name of festival is Baisakhi. What is the name of other festival? Baisakhi. When it is celebrated in the month of Vaishakh. Type of festival? Harvest. Related to agriculture. Place of celebration. When it is celebrated in Punjab. Mostly in Punjab. Significance. The importance is they start the harvesting, beginning of harvest, and it's Punjabi's New Year. And the last one, what is the name? The name of this festival is Durga Puja. Which day it is celebrated? It is celebrated on Durgashtami. It is celebrated on Durgashtami. And which type of festival it is? It is a religious festival. Place of celebration. It is mostly celebrated in West Bengal. Next, the significance. What is the significance or importance of this festival? The victory of goddess Durga over the evil demon महिषासुर. माँ दुर्गा ने महिषासुर को मार डाला था इस दिन, इसीलिए हम ये दुर्गा पूजा मनाते हैं. द विक्ट्री ऑफ गॉडेस दुर्गा. Okay students, we have seen here. Next we will see in the next lecture. Okay, thank you. Thank you for joining us.